we are finally seeing the sun across northeast Mississippi. Here in Starkville, they're seeing blue skies across the junction. Their temperatures have climbed since yesterday, since we are seeing that sun. Temperatures are at about 64 degrees with that south-southeast wind at 11 miles per hour, helping to bring in that warm air and the moisture, which is going to help to fuel the storms that we are going to see later in the week. But all across northeast Mississippi, looking at a warm spot in Coffeyville at 71 degrees, a little bit cooler as we move further south, 64 here in Starkville. But those temperatures will continue to climb through the rest of the afternoon. If you're headed out to pick up your kids from the bus at about 3 o'clock, temperatures here are going to be 70 degrees, but again, very humid with that south wind bringing in all of that moisture. We do have this SPC risk for tonight. It is a 1 out of 6, so that just means general thunder. There is not really a threat for severe weather, but you could hear some rumbles of thunder overnight, tonight into tomorrow morning. But tomorrow night is the real threat for severe weather. We have this 2 out of 6 on our scale, which is marginal, which means this darker green color, which just means we could see some gusty winds, some heavy rain, and a very isolated threat for tornadoes and maybe some hail, but I think it's just going to be mostly a rain event. And I'll show you how that plays out through the rest of the week. Tonight, we do have clouds starting to build across the area. That rain chance does push in tonight into early tomorrow morning for our northwestern counties, where they could see a couple of rumbles of thunder. Then Wednesday throughout the day, hit or miss showers. That main threat moves in Wednesday night at 9 o'clock is when the storms have started to push into our area. Overnight, we could see those heavy rains and some gusty winds, but then Thursday morning, as you're headed to work or to class, most of that heavier rain has pushed on out. We're just left with a couple of showers, but those will be widespread, so you will need that rain jacket and the umbrella and the boots, because we will start to see some ponding after we've seen rain for Wednesday and Thursday. But thankfully, this will help to clear some of the pollen up. Today and tomorrow, high levels of pollen, but then that rain Wednesday and Thursday helps to knock some of it out of the air, and we are looking at a moderate level of pollen for Thursday, and then Friday it bumps right back on up, and we will start to see that pollen floating through the air again. So I just threw a lot of information at you. I'm going to help you back through that recapping. Wednesday, we do have that chance for rain. That again is overnight into Thursday is our main threat. Thursday, a 90% chance of rain. Really, we're definitely going to see rain on Thursday, so make sure you have that rain gear with you as you head out the door Thursday. But thankfully, Friday, look at that. We're going to see the sun again, 75, and it's going to be a nice weekend. Temperatures in the mid-70s for Easter weekend. Plenty of sun. Clouds do start to build back in on Sunday, and that rain chance starts creeping back into the forecast for Monday.